Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. I have a few sort of different off the canvas, as I like to call them, items to share with you today. I'm quite excited about this one. It ended up on my list as soon as I saw it, but I am going to go with the one that we can see part of first. I will put links to everything in the description below. Oh, looks like this is worked a little bit different to what I thought, though it's not necessarily a bad thing. So we have these owl notebooks, and this is what I saw, owl notebooks with diamonds on them. But it looks as though you do a little bit of sticking. So they're all plain paper. They're not lined. And you've got the owl. And then do we get 2 sheets? We do. There's 2 sheets of stickers, essentially. And you will peel off this section of the sticker. Oh, it's different parts of the sticker. I'm going to do this one. I know it will be harder to actually put the diamonds on, but I'm going to do it for the purposes of showing you guys what you need to do. But you peel off that section of the sticker and stick it on the notebook, and that gives you then your different sections for the S diamond. And is the rest one big sticker? There's 2 layers to this sticker. So there is the bottom part that allows you to stick it onto the notebook itself. And once that's lined up and you're happy with the placement, I'm not sure if that one was a little bit off. There is then a second clear sheet. If I can get hold of it, and you peel that second clear sheet off to leave you with your sticky. But that means that you've got glitter and stuff on this, as well as space to put your diamonds. So it's up to you whether you do them before sticking them on. I think I'll probably stick them on first. Looking at them, I think it might be easier to actually put them on the notebooks and then do it. Because the spirals, it's not too close to the spirals for it to get in the way. And I think it'd be easier to line it up without having diamonds on that could potentially fall off. And then for the purple one, you've still got all this glitter, but then you'll have diamonds all the way around it as well. They're a little bit different. And to show you the diamonds and stuff you get, so you get a toolkit, basic one. We have some pink, some red, some blue, normal yellow, not rhinestone, more rhinestone pink, blue, and a couple of different sizes of yellow. And the letters correspond to the symbol. So we've got S, W, X, etc. And you match one up to the next one. They're really sweet. You do get 6 in a pack, so you've got plenty to choose from. I think I'll be setting up a few of those. And then any little visitors can do a notebook, and I can do a notebook, because they're sweet. So that's number 1. Number 2, I actually can't remember what number 2 is off the top of my head. I'm going to open it and find out. I know I ordered it. I just can't remember what it is. There's a few different things that intrigues me this time. I think this is a Hello Kitty item. seem to have had a few of those recently, but there's been a few different things come out that I like the look of. It's very well bubble wrapped. Trying to actually get in it. It's got sticky, looks like it's just a sticky sheet all the way around. It is. So it's just got one big sheet of sticker on the top. There's no actual diamond information though. There's nothing printed on that sticker. So I'm not sure if that's wrong or if you're just supposed to put them where you want. I'm not sure I'm liking this. We have a couple of different sizes of white, black, a very small amount of yellow, which I would think would be used for her nose. We've got a few different types of silver and a lot of pink, which you would expect. But where are they supposed to go? So am I supposed to put the silver where it is silver? We've got the letter I on that one, but we don't seem to have letters on the rest. I guess this is a little bit of put down a diamond where you want to put a diamond. What colour would Kitty's face be? Is it the same colour as the bow? I'm going to have to look into the description of that one a little bit more. But that one is not as exciting as I thought it would be. It's a lot easier when you have the symbols and the dots for where they're supposed to go to ensure that it will fit all the way around. And some of this sticky, especially in the grooves, oh, it does flatten back down. I didn't think it was pulled tight enough to actually go flat. It does, it just needs some work to it before it does. But how are you supposed to get them? Maybe when I'm up for a challenge, I can give this one a go and see what it ends up looking like. And then we do get the tiniest piece of wax and a pen, and then a round tray, not a groove tray, we just get a round one in that. So that's item number 2. And then for the one that I sort of saw and had to have, this is a bigger box. This one I've not seen before. I'm hoping is going to be a little bit different, but it doesn't look like it is. Let me reserve judgment until I'm actually into the whole thing. So this is a bin. Short and simple. It's a bear bin. And when I saw it on the website, I thought it looked pretty nifty for on a desk because it's a bear that can be used as a bin. And I thought it might look nice when, you know, packing orders for the shop to have a bear bin. But this is very similar to the Hello Kitty, and I'm not sure why. So it looks as though there are at least 3 different sizes of brown rhinestones all thrown into one bag. We have that little round pot. We have some black rhinestones. When I say rhinestones, they're not silver coated on the back, but they are shaped more like rhinestones than the diamonds are. We have a few bigger black, we have some small white, and then we have a massive bag of brown in, I think it's 3 different sizes. Potentially there's 4, but from first glance at the back of them, it looks like it's 3. We have a pen, wax, and what looks like an ice cream scoop. Not sure if that's for moving them about. But then you get a tub of glue. So we've got E700 glue in clear. So surface drying time 4 to 6 minutes or so. Completely cure time 24 to 48 hours. Please read carefully. Large area before use, please do small area test. Best use of temperature should be 18 to 32 degrees. I'm guessing that's Celsius. The product after opening the cover, please timely cover stitch. Remove for the adhesive residue on the cover. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes to adhere end, alignment, bonding, a little pressure. Lay aside for some hours can be okay. After 48 hours to achieve best bonding strength. So by the looks of it, and from what I can sort of make out and deduce, in fact that's probably what this is for, we have to glue the bin ourselves, put glue on the bin to then put the diamonds on, and then make our own pattern. It's not quite what I expected it to be. But maybe it'll be fun, maybe not. It says this is an E7000 crystal diamond adhesive, can suit for many materials. But it does come with a little pin that goes inside to stop the nib drying out. But I would expect that you would have to smooth this on somehow into all these spaces so that you can do black where you want to on the bear, white on this part and brown on the rest. Oh, they are a little bit different. So if you're into something a little bit more creative, maybe this is for you. It's not what I was expecting, though I am happy to give it a go because I do like the idea of having a bear bin. And I'm just going to pop all the bits inside it. Are they the same size as the eyes? So those big rhinestones are the same size as the eyes, so maybe they could go on there and the small ones could go around the ears. The white ones I assume go around there, and then I have a lot of brown ones for filling in the gaps. So they must have a new company that they get items from, because Fansells do seem to have things manufactured by many different companies, and these were both new items. So both this and Hello Kitty were new items. In fact, the owl notebooks were as well, though they do have the symbols on them. The Hello Kitty doesn't, but it has a sticker sheet over it. It is embossed in places as well, this tin. And it does seem as though there are air bubbles trapped. In fact, I've got a knife here. There are air bubbles trapped inside where it's gone around the likes of the nose. but I can get those out by slicing the double-sided tape that they've stuck over the top. But that's not the way I've seen something actually diamond painting presented. To me, that's something they've already got manufactured, trying to make it work for diamond painting. I'm not quite sure how I feel about that. But we'll see how we go. We will give them a go at some point. I feel like I need a lot more time to do this one, with it needing the glue attaching and needing a couple of minutes before you can then stick anything on it. I feel like that would have to be a full-on, I'm ready for this, rather than, you know, even if this notebook was as big as the bin, you can peel back and do a little bit and get distracted and go do something else. This is more of a project. But if that's the sort of thing you enjoy, there's a bare bin now to stick diamonds on. If it works, maybe that means we can try sticking diamonds on anything, because it seems as though that's what they've done. Maybe we'll find more ways to use up our spares than we realised. But I will pop the links down to all of them below in case any of you are interested in any of the items. And this is why I like to do unboxings. It gives us a chance to really see what the items look like, because the first image that I saw of this, don't get me wrong, I haven't read the full detailed image fully. I wouldn't have expected this just off the image and the price and saying yes, I'd like. But hey, that's what unboxings are for. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.